नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटी। I, Jivin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic quality control test for the plastic containers, different types of containers. This topics belong to the quality assurance subject for the B Pharm 6th semester students. So now we come to the quality control test for the plastic containers. लास्ट सेशन जो हमारा था, लास्ट सेशन में हमने डिस्कस किया था क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टेस्ट फॉर द ग्लास कंटेनर्स। तो अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टेस्ट फॉर द प्लास्टिक कंटेनर्स। क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टेस्ट फॉर द प्लास्टिक कंटेनर्स, फर्स्ट वन इज लीकेज टेस्ट, कोलैप्सिबिलिटी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी, वाटर वेपर परमेबिलिटी टेस्ट एंड बैक्टीरियोलॉजिकल टेस्ट। Quality control test for the metal containers. Take 50 empty tubes filled with ointment base sealed and kept overnight. A metal bacteriological filter assembly fitted with filter paper and heated to melting range of ointment base. Base from all tubes squeezed at certain rate and passed through filter under vacuum. Further was with CHCl3 and observed for particles. Observations: particle 1 mm and above 50, particles 0.5 mm to 1 mm 10, particles 0.2 mm to 0.5 mm is 2, particles less than 0.2 mm is nil. Total score approx 50, 10, 2 and nil is equal to 62. Now we come to the limits. Lot of tubes passes test if total score is less than 100. Lot of tubes is fail if total score of above 150. If it is a between 100 to 150 test is repeated again with 50 more tubes. Quality control test for the collapsible tube. Quality control test for the collapsible tube is divided into 4 parts. First one is leakage test, power of adhesion, flexibility, and product compatibility. Quality control test for strip and blister packaging. 3/4 of water is poured in desiccator. Strip and blister were placed inside desiccator and vacuum is applied. Later on, strip blister were taken out. Water present over the outer surface were wipe out. Then the content of the strips and blister were removed and presence of moisture was checked. If there is no leakage, content will not be weighted. It indicates the perfect sealing. Now we come to the quality control test for the closures. Quality control test for the closures is sterility test, fragmentation test, self-sealability test, pH of aqueous extract, light absorption test, reducing substance, residue on evaporation penetrability. Preparation of sample solution. Was closer in 0.2% weight by volume of anionic surfactant for 5 minutes. Rinse 5 times with distilled water and add 200 ml water. Further subjected to autoclave and covering with aluminum foil. Allowed to cool and separate solution from closure. Now we come to the sterility test. Sterility test, first one is closure are subjected for sterilization and by autoclaving at 64 to 66 degrees centigrade and pressure 0.7 Kelvin. Further testing is carried out by the using culture media and fragmentation test. Now we come to the next test is for fragmentation test. Take 12 clean vials and place closures containing 4 ml of water. Allow to stand for 16 hours and use hypodermic needle in inject 1 ml of water into the vial and remove 1 ml of air. Carry carry this operation for 4 times with new needle each time, and pass the water present in vial through a filter with pore size of 0.5 micrometer. Number of fragments of closure retained should be as per limit, and pass water present in vials through a filter with pore size of 0.5 micrometer. Now we come to the self-sealability. Fill 10 vials with nominal volume of water and place closures. Then cap for 10 times at different site with hypodermic needle and immerse vials in 0.1% weight by volume solution of methylene blue under pressure. Keep the container immersed for 30 minutes and wash the vials, and none of vials should contain trace of color solution. So now we come to the fourth test, pH of aqueous extract. Take 20 ml of sample solution and add 0.1 ml of bromothymol blue. pH of aqueous extract में सबसे पहले हम take 20 ml of solution, 20 ml of sample solution लेंगे और उसमें 0.1 ml of bromothymol blue को ऐड करेंगे. Add 0.1 m of NaOH sodium hydroxide को ऐड करेंगे till color change from to blue to yellow. Blue to yellow, volume required is measured. Limit volume of NaOH not more than 0.3 ml, and if HCl is used, not more than 0.8 ml. Now we come to the light absorption test. It must be done within 4 hours of preparing sample solution. It is a filtered and its absorbance is measured at 220 nanometer to 360 nanometer. Blank is done without closure and absorbance must be not more than 2.0. Reducing substance. 20 ml of sample solution plus 1 ml of sulfuric acid and 20 ml of sample solution plus 0.002 m potassium permanganate. Boil for 3 minutes and cool. Add 1 kilogram of potassium iodide. Treat the solution with sodium thiosulfate using starch solution as indicator. Blank titration is done and difference of sample and blank should be not more than 0.7%. Now I can repeat. Reducing substance, 20 ml of sample solution, 20 ml of sample solution plus 1 m sulfuric acid. The next one is 20 ml of sample solution plus 0.002 ml पोटेशियम परमैग्नेट. दोनों को कंबाइन करके हमने इसको बॉयल किया. बॉयल फॉर 3 मिनट्स एंड फिर कूल किया. एड 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ पोटेशियम आयोडाइड. इन दोनों सोल्यूशन को जब हमने बॉयल किया, इसको कूल किया, तो इसमें हमने ऐड किया एड 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ पोटेशियम आयोडाइड. देन ट्रीट द सोल्यूशन विद सोडियम थायोसल्फेट. सोडियम थायोसल्फेट से इसको हमने ट्रीट किया यूजिंग स्टार्च सोल्यूशन एज अ इंडिकेटर. Then blank titration is done and difference of the sample and blank should be not more than 0.7. Now we come to the next test, residue on evaporation. This is a very short process. The 50 ml of sample solution is evaporated at 105 degrees centigrade. Residue obtained should be not more than 4 mg. Now we come to the next test, penetrability. This is to measure the force required to make a hypodermic needle penetrate easily through closure. It is measured by the using pursing machine. The pursing force must not exceed at stated value. The hypodermic needle can get damaged as a result of the undesirable hardness of closure. Quality control test for the secondary packaging materials. The test piece of the paper and board are taken for the test to be carried out in a standard condition. First one is temperature 23 degrees centigrade plus minus 1 degree centigrade and relative humidity 50% plus minus 2%. First one is moisture content, folding endurance, and air permeability, tensile strength, and stiffness, and burst resistance. So this is the complete protocol for this session. This session is very important for the quality control test for the different types of containers. This session included in different types of container like plastic, rubber, closures, and secondary packaging materials all are included in this session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.